Hold on a second. Maybe if she's there by the side. Oh. I don't think you're going to get Sadie. We're trying to see if Jessie will go off the side again. Oh, she's doing a bow. She's doing an early lunch. Sadie, it's okay.
Good girl, Jess. Good girl. Good girl.
Yep, there goes Jessie in the other yard. Now it's a neener, neener, neener. I got the ball and you don't. I've been using the word give with her. Neener, neener. I have the ball, you don't have the ball. I have the ball. I have the ball, you don't have the ball. Neener, neener. You can't have it. See? Look what I have. Oh, see? You can't have it though.